Hi friends, if you follow the cover, if you like beautiful cars, expensive cars, beautiful girls, six-packs boys, better cancel that video, stop that video and watch it something else, because my subscribers wise and they never follow the cover. And if you speak about cover, what for you spirituality? You think spirituality is sit in a lotus pose, listen mantra, or maybe feed homeless people? Then it's wrong. It's not that. That's why you should understand what is spiritual frequency, what is material frequency. And of course, somebody will say material never have happiness, or spiritual they never have money. That's right. That's why you should correctly select what you really want frequency and stay there. So material, it's money, many friends and successful. And spiritual, it's creation, when you can create something. It's when a lot of miracle around and when a lot of happiness. So in that video you will understand elements of different frequency, and then you can decide by yourself what frequency you really want to be connected to. My name is Dmitro Man, and that's series 14 about frequency. Firstly, let's take spiritual frequency. And what is spiritual person? What he like? What kind of spiritual person? Okay, that person, he like to be alone. He like peaceful and calm music and calm and dramatic movies. He have talent in creation, means he can create something. And he usually don't like spend time in society, and he don't like movies and music, which one usual normal people like. He stay in his own world when sometimes nobody understand him. He have his own perception of the world, and he happy only walking around alone, listen music, or he happy sit and drawing something with himself, or he can create music or write books or write poem. That people mostly don't love sun. They prefer more cold weather, and they don't really like usual the sea, where usual people usually go. They prefer more wild sea, more wild river, wild rocks, and they like sunrise and sunset. And that time before sundown, 30 or 60 minutes, when a lot of shadow, that time for them it's amazing. They have one important rule, maybe not artificially, but they avoid tension and conflicts. And if happens something wrong, for them better leave that situation, because for them more important their peaceful state. That people, they live inside their self. It's a turn off mind people, because their soul, their heart, it's turned on. So that people, they like live in chaos, because planning, it's a tension, but they avoid tension. For them, living in chaos, it's a heaven. Do what he want, go where he wanna go, wake up when he want. He don't wanna make border or any frame. And some noisy place, it's make their head painful. That's why they avoid noisy place. Of course, they can go, they could go, but it's make pain their head. So that frequency without mind, it's a spiritual frequency. Mind frequency, it's a material frequency. That people, they different. They can't stay alone. They should be always active. They should do always something. They should go to the meet friends. They should go to the party, do something, always do something. They can't stay alone because they feel bad when they're alone. They don't have soul. So if something trend in the world, they know about it. If something cool in the world, they know about it. They can tell you. They can't watching calm movies. They can't listen calm music. They need everything active. And if you bring him to a museum or maybe theater, he cannot comprehend everything. He can't speak about color. But if you will bring spiritual person, he will look deeply and see the meaning of everything. He will feel the author. What author feel, he also will feel. He will understand it and comprehend everything, and you will enjoy with him. But if it's material person, yes, of course, he can say what year that painting, who make that painting, when make that painting, it's cool right now or not, price can say, like I can resell it or not. Of course he can say it, but he cannot comprehend. He can say, yeah, of course, green color there have, or maybe someone walking there, but like he cannot look deeply what author see. He cannot understand it, he cannot feel it. But spiritual person can. And for spiritual person doesn't matter what's price it and name, because for spiritual important what inside, the meaning, the feeling. They always watching primitive movies and listen primitive music because they don't have taste. So if everyone, like if they always follow the trends, if everyone will wear caps with ears, they will also wear that caps. If everyone will begin smoke vape, they also will use it. And if everyone will use selfie stick, they also will use it and use that word too. So they don't have taste, they always follow the trends. And about soul, if you will begin speak with him about soul, for sure you speak with someone. You speak and try to share your soul with someone. But in that moment, what they did? In that moment, their soul wake up because it was sleepy. They wake up and feel pain because their soul is empty. That's why they immediately try to speak with you, try to move topic to like what you eat, where you was, what about weather, what you watching, what you like, what you want to do, what's new news, because they want to protect their self. When soul open, they feel pain. In their life should everything in order. They should always have when wake up, what time wake up, when they go to the shower, how long they spend in the shower, when they begin to eat, what they should eat, when they should go to the job, how long they should spend their time. Everything should be in order. So, in a spiritual frequency, they like to live in chaos, where is no plan. But in material frequency, you always should do everything in plan, should be everything in order. So what you really want? Money and successful, or miracles and happiness? I will tell you what I did in my life, and you also can use it for your life, and you will see how it changed, because it's already changed many people. So if you like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, put notification. I'm record new video always, post new video always, and next video will more cool. So let's develop together. If you select one of frequency, how you can do it without faith? And if somebody will ask me, Dmitro, you believe to God, you have faith. So what is faith? Faith, it's when you believe fully, when you don't have fears at all. It's your level of faith. It's your different worldview. It's your lifestyle. You live in that world, and you don't worry about anything. You have faith, and it's so strong. And if something should happen, like if somebody should lie to you or steal something from you, and it should happen, you know it should happen, and you don't worry about anything. You don't have fears. And if you know your time is over in here and you should go away, then you also don't have fears. And stay here, stay calm, and stay confident in yourself, in that world, and don't have fears. That usual cool people who think they cool, they read in internet, need sit in lotos pose and listen mantra, and then they will feel something. Not, of course not. They do it, they even don't know why they do it. In mind frequency don't have magic, don't have miracles. So, if you begin do it, then you should have real faith and living by certain rules in that life. So you have faith, or you only think you have faith? What's the difference for you? Maybe you can say somebody has strong faith, somebody not much stronger faith. But real faith, it's a different thing. It's not like a belief to yourself, believe to yourself, like, and I will go and I will do it. I believe to myself, I'm straight in my confidence inside myself. Yeah, faith is help me. No, it's not like this. It's different. It's like a believing. Believe in like to your power, to you should do something, you believe to yourself. It's not faith. When you have faith, it's a totally different level of faith. You don't have fears at all, and you know if something should happen, it will happen, and you don't worry, and you know you protected because you with him together, one unit. Now I will tell you how I develop myself. Try recall when you was a child. You can notice what you accept easy, what you can't accept when you was child. Therefore you can see which frequency firstly active in your life, in what situation active your inner self, like it means heart, and where active your mind. People usually live in one frequency. For example, I was at heart frequency. I'm a very spiritual person, very creation person, but in same time I understand I have second personality, which one I know I should develop too, for become to some balance, like a black and white. Then I will fully unique. So once I'm at spiritual frequency, I can create everything. But after I move to material frequency, when I should create some beautiful cover for let people easily understand everything. So firstly, everything was in my list when I write a book, but now everything in my website, when everyone can go and easy read everything. You also should understand, if your mind already developed, you not understand that have fully different world, which one inside yourself. It's your inner self inside you. With that, you will perceive world differently, understand differently, feel differently. And you should also develop that side. Somebody develop mind, somebody develop heart. So it's not all information, it's only small part, because video already time is over. In next video I will say more information. You also can watch in frequency playlist in my YouTube channel. And if you like my video, like my information, subscribe my YouTube channel, put notification, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, good night.